Pixel 9 Pro Fold is here, but does it really stack up against the existing champ, the Galaxy Z Fold 6? Although I believe Pixel 9 Pro Fold would appeal to a much bigger audience, Google has completely revamped the design from its predecessor. At first glance, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold shares some design similarities with the OnePlus Open, a Chinese foldable that many of us have admired. It got the rounded edges and a unique rear camera setup. In contrast, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 has adapted a more boxier design. It features the flat sides, giving it a more premium look. Personally, I prefer the flat sides of the Z Fold 6. They not only look stylish but also feels great in hand. However, design preference is subjective. Some might lean towards the Pixel's rounded aesthetic, which offers a different kind of comfort. When it comes to thickness, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold measures at 10.5mm. That's noticeably thinner than the Z Fold 6, which is at 12.1mm thicker, which can be a big plus if you're looking for a thinner device. Speaking of the weight, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold weighed around 257 grams, lighter than the first generation Pixel Fold, which tipped the scale at 283 grams. However, it's still heavier compared to the Z Fold 6, which weighs in at 239 grams. If you're upgrading from the first generation Pixel Fold, you will likely notice this reduction in weight, but if you are coming from the Z Fold 6, the difference is still be noticeable, but it feels heavier than the Z Fold 6. In terms of color options, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold only available in two color options, Obsidian and Porcelain. This is quite limited compared to the Z Fold 6, which offers a wide range of color options: gray, midnight blue, pink, crafted black, peach, and white. Some of these color options are only exclusive to Samsung's official website. Moving on to displays, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold takes a significant leap forward. The cover display is now 6.3 inches, which is exactly same as the Fold 6. The inner display is where the real magic happens, at a massive 8 inches display. It is way bigger than the Z Fold 6 7.6 inches. This increase in size means you can get an immersive experience with the Pixel 9 Pro Fold inner display. The Pixel's inner and cover display draws some inspiration from the OnePlus Open, which is not a bad thing. Many users praise the OnePlus Open for its excellent cover display. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold's design looks similar, and it could appeal to those who preferred a wider cover display. However, the Z Fold 6 has its advantages. Samsung has reduced the hinge size, which allows for more symmetrical bezels and a cleaner look. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold's hinge design still has some visible elements, which might not be as visibly appealing to everyone. Additionally, if you are a fan of S Pen, the Z Fold 6 supports it, an advantage over Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Durability is a crucial factor in foldable phones due to their complex mechanism. The Fold 6 impresses with its robust build and gapless hinge design. Z Fold 6 already survived the jerry-rig bend test, and it boasts an IP48 rating for water and dust resistance, which is for the first time in a foldable phone, but it is not completely dust-proof. Google, on the other hand, used a similar hinge design with a no visible gap in the hinge design. However, given that the previous Pixel Fold did not fare well in the durability test, there's still a lot of curiosity about the Pixel 9 Pro Fold will perform better. The Z Fold 6 design has proven durable, but Google's approach with a thinner design remains to be seen. Also, Z Fold 6 features a Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on its cover display, which is durable but not as advanced as the expected Gorilla Glass Armor. Although Gorilla Glass Armor is much better, and I wish it will be there in the Z Fold 6. Still, Z Fold 6 holds up in terms of durability. Both devices are expected to handle around 200,000 of folds, with Samsung claiming if you fold your Z Fold 6 50 times a day, it should last over 10 years. That's an impressive claim, and we will see if Google can match this with their Pixel 9 Pro Fold. The crease on foldable phones has always been a point of contention. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold seems to have taken a cue from other Chinese foldables and improved the crease, making it less noticeable compared to the previous generation. This is a significant enhancement, and it adds to overall sleek feels of the device. Moreover, the Z Fold 6, while having improved its crease slightly, but it looks exactly the same in real-life usage. So if a less visible crease is important to you, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold could be a better choice. Battery life is crucial for foldable phones, and there are some serious concerns here. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold features a 4650 mAh battery, which is smaller compared to the previous generation Pixel Fold's 4800. The Z Fold 6 has a 4400 mAh battery, slightly less than the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. However, the Pixel's increased size may offset the smaller battery. Battery optimization is key, and the Pixel 9 Pro Fold will benefit from the improved Tensor Gen 4 chipset, which offers better efficiency numbers than its predecessor. However, when compared to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in the Z Fold 6, there is a noticeable difference in performance, particularly with heavy tasks and gaming. The Z Fold 6 supports a 25-watt fast charger, while the Pixel 9 Pro Fold sticks with a 21-watt fast charger. This means while both devices charge relatively quickly, the Z Fold 6 has a slight edge in charging speed. Performance is where the differences really started to show. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 made for Galaxy processor in the Z Fold 6 is a powerhouse, offering significant improvements over the previous generation. On the other hand, the Tensor Gen 4 in the Pixel 9 Pro Fold, while improved, may not match the raw performance of Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. For everyday use, the performance difference might not be obvious. However, for gaming and demanding tasks, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 will provide a smoother experience. Samsung has also incorporated a larger vapor chamber for better heat management, which helps in maintaining performance under load. Both devices offers options of 256 gigs and 512 gigs of storage, but neither includes a 1 TB option. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold has an advantage with the 16 gigs of RAM compared to only 12 gigs on Fold 6, which should improve the multitasking and overall performance. When it comes to cameras, both the Pixel 9 Pro Fold and the Z Fold 6 offer solid setups, but they're not top of the line compared to other flagship devices. The Fold 6 features a 50 megapixel main shooter, a 12 megapixel ultra wide, and a 10 megapixel 3x telephoto sensor. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold counters a 48 megapixel main sensor, a 10.5 megapixel ultra wide, and a 10.8 megapixel telephoto sensor. While these cameras perform well and produce great photos, they aren't the best available. For top-notch camera performance, you might want to look at dedicated flagship models like the Galaxy S24 Ultra or the Pixel 9 Pro XL, which offers superior camera setup. In 2024, AI is at the forefront of tech advancements. Pixel 9 Pro Fold comes with Gemini. One of the standout features is Pixel Screenshots. These features make it easier to recall and organize screenshots, which can be a huge time saver for users who frequently take them. Another exciting feature is the ability to generate images from text prompts directly on the device, opening up a new creative possibility for users. The Magic Editor is another highlight, allowing users to remove backgrounds from photos with ease. This tool adds a new level of flexibility to photo editing, making it easier to create professional-looking images without needing advanced editing software. Google also teases features like adding yourself to a group photo, which can be useful for those who often take pictures with their friends and family. Samsung, on the other hand, provides basic AI features like live translation on calls and document summarization. One unique feature is sketch to image, which lets you draw and it will convert into real images using AI. This feature works best with the S Pen, something the Pixel 9 Pro 4 lacks. The price is a significant factor here. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold starts at $1799 for the base model. This is exactly same as last year's Pixel Fold. However, the Z Fold 6 saw a price increase this year, starting at $1899, which means Z Fold 6 is $100 more expensive than the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. You should note about the pre-orders of Pixel 9 Pro Fold and get some extras. Ultimately, both phones are flagship devices that excel in their own ways. If you're still undecisive, consider what features are most important to you. Is it a wider cover display or bigger inner display, or you need a boxier look and symmetrical bezels of a Z Fold 6? On this note, if you find value from this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.